Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Afro Gardener. Today I'm going to be working on our...
I want to see.
Where are you
Hi
at?
guys, welcome to the Afro Gardener. Today we're going to plant plants, and I plant fruit, but it's going to be good. Even we're going to plant some apples. Bye guys.
We're not planting apples, but we are going to be working on our no-till garden.
Yeah.
So right here I have some cardboard that we've been saving, and I've pulled all the plastic off of. And so I'm going to be laying this out and putting the compost that's here on top of here. Now, in retrospect, when we got the compost, I should have already had this section already planned out, but I didn't. So we're doing it now. All right, so now I'm gonna be measuring 18 inches across. And y'all probably can't see that. 18 inches across, and where they'll be separated, that's where I'm gonna mound them up. So let's see, 18 inches, that's right here. I'm not great at measuring, but I do want to have kind of a way that I'm doing this. I'm gonna be putting this bamboo right here just to put some separation, and I'm gonna try to make these as even as I can. Now between each row, I'm gonna be putting 12 inches between each row. So about a foot between each row. I have one mound finished and one row of mulch, and I'm gonna be working on the next mound here and the next row of mulch. This is the finished product. Now, I did not record all of the process because I kept having to stop and take breaks and things like that, and do little things. But here is our no-dig in-ground garden beds. Now, roughly, I'm saying roughly, the mounds are 18 inches, and the mulch rows are 16. Now I say roughly because it is not perfect, but it is basically all uniform to a degree. And we have 4 rows and the rows of mulch as well. Oh, I'm tired. I think I've earned myself a Pepsi. Now I know Pepsis are not great. I understand that, but I enjoy them, and I think I might just drink one after this. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions about anything, leave me a comment. And as always, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.